forward?
Well, as chairman of the National PDP Campaign Council, I'm here not alone, but I'm here with my brother governor, the governor of Edo State, and my very senior colleague, both in parliament and in governance, the former Senate President, former governor of Kwara State, Senator Bukola Saraki. We have been here to support our brother, and if you recall, on the day of the rally, I sang a song, and the song was that power belongs to God. And it has been proven that power belongs to God. And I told you I am a miracle governor, and that miracle is going to rub off on Osun and here in PDP. And so we are all excited, we are happy. Let me, on behalf of my national chairman, the chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Dr. Iyorchia Ayu, and the candidates of our party, we came in here to campaign. And after the campaign, clearly we stayed back here with him. And from the day of campaign, I told you that there was organic support for the candidate and for the party. And it has been so proven. Let no man play the role of God. And I've also told you here that this election was not only for Osun State. This election was a national election. This election was a test election for 2023. I warn you, PDP is coming. 2023.
As has just been said, this victory is not just for Osun State. It is for the country and it's for our party. With this victory, it shows that PDP is on a rebound. And most of our members who had issues or challenges as a result of the conventions and other actions will now see that PDP is still the party to beat. It's strong and is ready to take on the opposition and win the elections in February next year. So I think with that message, we see a lot more of our members coming back to the fold to reconcile. And we also believe that others who have been looking in and want to join us now have the basis and also the reason to come back to us.
Well, the chairman of the council has said, let me just join and thank Nigerians, thank people of Osun for what they've done, congratulate our new governor-elect. And the message is clear. Nigerians have spoken. They are tired of the APC party. They are tired of government that do not perform. They want passionate leaders. They want leaders that care for them. And that's a message. That's a clear message here. And that message is going to represent across the entire country. It's not only in Southwest. The country is ready to go back to those better days. Nigerians want a better Nigeria. And that's what they've done here.